What's up guys, James here, and today I am going to be showing you guys how much money I make in one day as a 15-year-old. Now right before I start this video, I am just going to throw it out there that these results are not going to be consistent every day, a fixed number, and that's the great thing about entrepreneurship. Pretty much you get to decide how much you make every single day of your life, and it's not just like a job where you are set to get $12 an hour, $30 an hour, $60 an hour. No, some days you'll be making $300 in 1 hour. Others you'll be making a lot less. But that is the great thing. And yeah, entrepreneurship truly has potential, even if you are not over the age of 18 or even 16, to where you can get a legal job in the state of Connecticut, which is where I am. So today I'm going to breaking down how much money I made today through my certain businesses. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, my number one source of income, which is probably, I'd say, the most consistent, is stock day trading. Now, no, I don't have a course to sell you on, but I day trade mainly blue chip companies and also triple leveraged ETFs such as TQQQ and SQQQ, which pretty much are triple leveraged ETFs of the NASDAQ future. Now, sometimes I'll swing trade, other times I'll day trade, but either way, from 9:30 to past 12 o'clock, I have many different charts and stocks and ETFs all on 4 of my monitors. Yes, I did get a 4 monitor setup, and I'm gonna take you guys into that in 1 second. But yeah, I just want to break down what I do, and I started day trading around 7 months ago or so, May of 2021. Today is February 10th, by the way, for those of you who are wondering. So everything that I've made today is going to be February 10th alone, and that's all that I'm tracking. So yeah, let's head inside to my trading station. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, we have my 4 monitor setup, and yeah, it is pretty crazy. Took me a while to set up, but I did get great deals on the monitors. That way I can invest what I saved into my stock trading business. Now, yeah, awesome setup, but now let's actually hop into the computer and I can show you today's day trading results, which, by the way, I will mention, I was doing this all while in school, and I finished by the time my Spanish class ended, which was awesome. Yeah, school is not gonna stop me from securing that bag. So yeah, let's head into the computer and check out the results. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are inside of my computer, and as you can see, I have my 4 monitors all being screen shared right now. And yeah, it is a lot, but you get used to it. It's very useful because I would have like Zoom on one tab, my E-Trade on another, and 2 stocks on the other 2, or whatever. But since I'm not in school currently, I have 3 stocks that I have been tracking, which is Coca-Cola stock, Carnival Cruise Lines, and Apple. And yeah, we really just want to focus right now on for my daily gains on this main monitor right here. And as you can see, this is real, not pre-recorded. I'll refresh the screen right there. There we go. I'll even do it again. All right, this is not inspect elemented or whatever. This is my real account. So as you can see, net account value, this was built up over, like I said, the past 7 months right here, this total value. But that's not really what's important. What we want to go to is days gain realized. Now, what realized means is this is what I sold and this is what I now have. Total unrealized gains is just current positions that I have not sold, so they don't really count right now. Right now, as you can see, I have a tiny little position on Apple, currently down $2. Doesn't really matter. It's not very big. That's not what we're really looking at. I plan to swing that to at least like $138, maybe $40 for a tiny profit, but that's not the focus. I'm getting off track. What we want to look at is the realized gain, and this is from the day trade I secured while in school on, as you can see, this monitor, which is Coca-Cola. Alright guys, so now we are in my executed orders section of E-Trade, and we can see right here that at first I bought 55 shares of Coca-Cola at $48.69, and then bought some more at $49.72. And then once we had 75 shares, today, actually pre-market, I sold 50 of them at $50.60, and then another 25 of them at $50.80, which was awesome because as you can see right now, it is currently at $49.60. So we did sell high and yeah, bought decently low, at least for this trade. And as you can see from the portfolio section, we made around $127.03. So yeah, $127 so far today. That is awesome. As you can see in the little corner, February 10th, 2021. That is awesome. Alright guys, so now I am going to be breaking down my Facebook Marketplace Pokemon card sales. Now yeah, today, February 10th, I did get an order for a lot of Pokemon cards that I was selling that I got for really pennies on the dollar. And the order just came through. I'm getting ready to ship it out right now, printing the shipping label, sending it out to the post office, and yeah, pretty much this whole lot sold for $260. I'm gonna have to get my phone because I don't even remember the exact amount because it was so much. It was really awesome. Now, was it completely worth it? Not really. I feel like I could have milked out an extra $200 out of this if I were to sell individually, but I've been super busy with my other businesses and school, so I decided, okay, I'll give someone a good price. I'm still making a crap ton of money, and yeah, I'll just sell the whole lot for this amount. And yeah, here is the conversation that I had with the buyer. It went pretty smoothly. He was very straight to the point, ordered very, very fast. And yeah, that was a great transaction, and I'm getting ready to ship it out right now. Now, as soon as I do, that will be added to the day's gain, and that will be awesome because, yeah, what a great time to receive an order when I'm filming a video on how much money I made today. But overall, the total amount, just in case you guys were wondering, as a 15-year-old who does go to high school full-time, I made $372.57. Now that is awesome. I am very happy with how today played out when it came to my businesses, and this was just two. This was flipping and day trading, made me over 300 bucks, and that is awesome. And yeah, I hope you all did enjoy the video. If you guys want me to go more in depth on these sort of business models and take you step by step on how to produce maybe similar or even better results doing either one of these things or other different side hustles you guys want me to try out, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below on what you would like to see next. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.